and welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss the face recognition based project, which is intruder detection system using face recognition for home and any security system you can use. It may be for the college, it may be for the office, it may be for the restricted area, or it can be for the home security. So if somebody tries to enter in that area, so this is going to detect his or her face, and according to is going to alert. The system can be combined with the CCTV camera, and then it will detect whether which are the known people and which is unknown to that particular area. So as some unknown people are not allowed to enter in some restricted area, or maybe if you want the unknown people or intruders should not enter inside the society or in your home, so that can be identified or that can be detected using this particular system, and this is the base paper for the implementation of our project. Now coming back to the implementation part, so it is implemented using Python programming language, and some algorithms like CNN, har cascade classifiers are used to build the system. Along with that, we are using static and HTML documents for creating a web application or the GUI for this project using the Flask framework of Python. Now, once the code is running, now you can open that code by typing localhost colon 5000. So automatically it will be opening this registration page. Now, if new user will have to register by filling all the details, and after submitting that user will be registered. But for the existing users, they can directly log in by putting the username and the password. If the username and password is wrong, then the user is not allowed to log in. Now, one important thing is that the known person, the photographs of known people will be stored here in the data set. So those who are known to the house, or they are known people, they are not intruders. So all those things are, or all those faces must be stored in the dataset folder. That is step number one. So we will previously store all the known people's faces in the dataset base. Now let's see. Now we will do with the real-time camera. Now here what I will do, I will, as my face is not there in the dataset, if I want to check for what it shows for my face, then I will put it 0. So once I write 0, it will start from the real-time web camera. So here the web camera will start, and for my face you can see here it is showing intruder detected. Now this is real-time video streaming, and it is showing the intruder detected for my particular face. Now let's close this one, and we'll again open the localhost colon 5000, and this time we will log in with the known face. Now this, there is one file, pre-recorded video in the project folder. If you see this video, it is the pre-recorded video, and this video contains the face of this particular girl. So we'll check what it shows, or whether it shows the intruder for this girl. So right now there is no message like intruder detector or something. So this is the known person from the home. This is actually video. It's a bit slow. It's very slow video. That's how you can see it as an image. But actually, this is the video of this particular girl. So this is not the intruder. So this way, using face recognition technology and Python coding, we can implement the intruder detection system for the home security, for office security, or maybe for the college or any other premises we can secure using this particular system. So in case you need the step-by-step guidance for this particular project and the coding part of this project, then you can check out the description box under this video. Thank you.